Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create next page option in Google Forms. So if you're working on Google Forms and you want to create a next page and submit option, just follow this video and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So you have to open up Google Forms and then you have to start with an untitled document or an untitled form, which is right at their home screen. And once in here, you can just make a form. For example, I'm making a test here and I have three questions which are already written and they are required, like what's your name, how old are you, what's your email. Now this is the first page, for example, and we want to move to the next page. We can click here, add section. You can see there are multiple options here like add question, important question, title and description, image, video, and add section. We can click here. Moving on, we can write page 2 here, and we can continue with our questions now. For example, I want a multiple choice question and my question is what is one just wait a second, what is 1 plus 1, and we can write the options here 2 3 and 4 and 5. And we can add one more question here. We can click here and we can write what is 2 plus 2 is equal to. Now, please note one thing, that this video, I'm writing this question, all these questions just for the sake of your understanding. And like, obviously, I won't make a question and write 1 plus 1, but it's just been, I'm literally doing it to just make you understand how we do the page breaks and add, next page and stuff like that. So just follow this video. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and 5. 6. I don't know why it's going backwards. 7. Okay, now we want to have the next page. So we can click here and we can write page 3 here. Page 3. And here we can add more questions. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to what? Right, 4. Yeah, sure, that's fine. And the last question, and by the way, all these questions are mandatory to answer. Okay, perfect. Moving to our last question, what is 3 into 3? And we can write the options here. 9. Oh, sorry, 9. Okay, fine. 7. And we are good to go. Now, it's completely done. Now, if we click here and see, now here you go, you can see right here, it's going to ask for your name and how old are you, and then it's going to ask for, okay, we need to answer these questions. We click next. Here you go. The questions are here. We answer it. 4 and 2. We click next. Here you go. 4 and I guess this one is a bit messed up. So we need to fix this one. But I guess you got the gist. If you click submit, then it's gonna submit. But that's how you actually make page breaks, and we can write next page and stuff like I just told you in the beginning. So I hope this video was informative. Let me just fix it right now as we're here. Here you go. Okay, perfect. We're done with it. And that's it. So let's just see if it works or not. 2, 4, next, 4 and 9. I don't know why we are not. Oh, because it's not published. So we have to publish it first and then we can just, click on submit and it will be submitted. It's not published at the moment. So that's how it works. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.